So now we're going to look at a really important concept in the blues called the bend. The pentatonic scale, using the bend, is a really interesting way to really get your blues emotion in there, just like B.B. King, Eric Clapton, Stevie Ray Vaughan, and the greats. And you're going to notice that there's a downward bend where you're bending the string downwards or pushing it up, an upward bend. Irrespective of what kind of bend you're doing, you're going to want to probably use another finger to strengthen the downward or the upward bend. So without further ado, let's look at bend number 1. Bend number 1 is going to take place by bending on the G string on the 7th fret downwards. It's going to sound like this. A bit slower now. And the note that we're bending down to is this one, which is E. So that's what you should be trying to hear when you do your bend. So